If your apps aren't downloading from the App Store on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions to help you out. This issue can be caused by connectivity problems, account issues, or temporary glitches. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Allow app download access. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App Storage. Enable these three settings: Apps Download, App Update. In App Content, scroll down, tap App Downloads. Select Always Allow for Cellular Data. If these are already enabled, then turn them off and turn them back again. Solution 2. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Verify that your internet connection is stable. You can check speed test and see if it's good or bad. If it's not stable, then you switch your network from Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. Solution 3. Check available storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Ensure you have enough storage. If storage is low, free up space by deleting unnecessary apps or files. Solution 4. Check billing address. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Media and Purchases, tap View Account, tap Manage Payment, tap Billing Address. Check your billing address. If there is any wrong info, you might face issue with downloading apps or games. So double check that to fix your issues. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of apps not downloading from the App Store on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.